Welcome everybody. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the features of the WIC 1750 9mm multi-purpose inspection camera from Whistler. This is the case that it comes in. As you can see right here on the front, this unit does have a 2.7-inch color LCD monitor. This particular camera does have full video and image recording capabilities. The camera itself is water, gas, diesel, alcohol, and oil proof. So you can use this in a wide variety of places without any worries. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at what comes with the unit real quick. It's going to come with some accessories here that will attach to the end of the camera, and these will allow you to retrieve objects from small places. It also comes with a USB cable to allow you to download your images to your computer. And it also comes with a video cable here so you can view your recordings on another TV or monitor. Alright, so this is the handheld monitor right here, and this is the 2.7-inch LCD screen. We've got all of our control buttons right here on the front of the unit, so it's very easy to operate while you're holding it. On the side of the unit here, this is where we've got our little inputs. And if we open this right here, we can see we've got a USB port, we've got a micro SD card slot, and this is our video out port over here on the end. And on the back of the unit, this is where our AA batteries are going to go. This unit does not come with batteries, but we have gone ahead and installed some batteries for this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the camera attached to the monitor. And if you look at the end of the attachment here on the monitor, there's a little flat spot here. And if we look at the connection on the camera, it does have a little tab sticking out of the end of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to align this tab with the flat spot. And once we get those two pieces paired together, we'll slide this collar forward and we will screw it down. Now this is a waterproof connection, so we want to make sure we get it nice and tight. Once we've got our camera attached there, the power button is going to be the far left button over here, right underneath the monitor. So what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and press and hold this button down for about 3 seconds. The power indicator light comes on, and we can see our screen lights up and it starts showing us what we're looking at. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features of the camera itself. Okay, so we've got our camera set up here. The camera is down inside of a pipe. We're looking for a ring down in there. But as you may be able to see on the image here, it's not very bright down in there. We can overcome that by adjusting the brightness of the LEDs on the camera using these two bottom buttons down here. The left button is going to decrease our brightness, and the right button is going to increase our brightness. Let's go ahead and turn those up and see if we can get a better look. And as you can see, you can start increasing the brightness, and we can see a whole lot better down in there. Alright, so if we look closely here, we'll find our ring. But if you notice, everything is a little bit upside down. We can correct that by pressing the power button. Just a quick press and release is going to change our image orientation. The first time we press it, it's going to get rid of all the icons on the screen. And that gives us just a clearer view of what we're looking at. And if we continue pressing it, it's going to rotate the image 90 degrees each time. Okay, so we've got everything in the correct orientation, so we can kind of see what's going on. And if we wanted to, we can go ahead and press the far right button over here. This is our image capture button. This is going to let us take a still picture of whatever we're looking at. Or if we press the button right here next to it, that's going to be the video recording button. The first time you press it, it's going to start recording. And then the second time you press it, it'll stop recording. And once you've taken your images and your movies, if you want to go back and review those, you can press the center button right here. That's going to be our playback button. And then we'll use our buttons down here, the left, right, and OK, to select which files we want to view. Okay, and the video, or the button right here next to the playback button is going to be our zoom button. So what we can do is we can press this, and this is going to give us a digital zoom of whatever we're looking at on the screen. We can zoom up to 3 times. And if you're already in the playback mode, this button will also allow us to delete any files that we may want to get rid of. Alright, and the last button here we will take a look at is our menu button. If we press that, that's going to bring up the menu for the unit, and we can go in, we can change our system settings, we can change our date and time, we can change our recorder settings, and our event playback settings. So anytime you want to select a menu, you'll press OK. And then you'll use the left and right buttons to cycle through the different options you want to select. And once you've got done making any changes you want to make, just go ahead and press the menu button, and we get back to our live camera view. Alright, so these are the features of the Whistler WIC 1750 And you can view more of our products and more of our videos at our YouTube channel. That's at youtube.com/Whistler Group Inc. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.